Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the 5 pointers which are the most important things to know for your CAT preparation, and IIM call is based on these 5 things together. Any one of them is not important, any one of them is not more than other, all of them are equally important and we can do that. So that will ensure you get an IIM call. Number 1 is the books. Yeah, you need to complete your basic, you need to study. Those are starting the preparation now, obviously books are very important for them. So we have the red books to start with the preparation. Red books का नाम ही cut off clearing workshops, cut off clearing books. So target is to clear the cutoff, which means to target is to get 80 to 85 percentile. You won't get 99 percentile with the red book because they are kind of an introduction, they're kind of first phase. Now if a repeater, what you can do, instead of going for the red book, you can go for the lavender books, which is the advanced level books. Lavender books ka target is 99 percentile. Yeah, so books are important. So those who have done self-study last year, those who were like they didn't join any coaching class, they still have to take the books. Now you can buy the mota books which are available in the market, or you can start with you can buy our red and lavender books. So you can buy both the books or you can buy any one of the books. Yeah, it's totally your wish. You can go for that. And during this lockdown phase, because we're not going to send the books immediately, so what we are doing is we are giving you the PDF of some of the topics so that you can cover up those topics during the lockdown phase, and then we can go for the next level. Yeah, the books, point number 1. And books mean formulas, theory, solved examples, all are equally important. Fine, I can promise you one thing. If you open up your maths book, for example, if you can tick mark every question, yeah, solve करके, वैसे नहीं, solve करके, if you tick mark every question, I can promise you will clear the cutoff for even IIM Ahmedabad. Yeah, that's my promise to you. Why? Because a lot of question, in fact half of the question in the paper are based on the basic level of knowledge about all the topics. Yeah, so that should be the same thing, that should be the main target. Okay, so that is the pointer number 1. Moving to the pointer number 2 is mocks. Yeah, now a lot of people have bought only the books from us. If you bought only books, you need mocks as well, boss, because बिना mocks के, बिना practice के, बिना test के, how can you live? Yeah, so you have to give mocks, we have to give tests, because they are equally important part of that. Okay, so that is the pointer number 2, mocks. So a lot of people do multiple coaching mocks, like they join X, Y, Z, all the coaching classes mocks, so that they can get a different type of flavor. So what we have at CET, we have 35 mocks, and I believe 30 mocks is a good number of mocks to clear the cutoff. These 35 mocks are made by 4 different teams. Baby mocks, the first 5 mocks are the baby mocks, just to get you started. And every Sunday we are keeping a mock. So this Sunday we have baby mock number 4 as a test. Yeah, so you can give the mock at your own pace, but I would prefer if you can follow our my strategy. So baby mock we can give every week, main mocks will give once in a week. So mock number 1 to 10 is made by another team, mock number 11 to 20 by another team, mock number then 21 to 30 is by the other team. So there are 4 separate teams working together. So you're getting the flavor of 4 different mock series with us. Yeah, same thing we done for the CET as well, same thing we done for the CAT as well. Yes, so in case you want to join us, you can join us for the mocks. Point number 3 is classes. Now that's your wish. Now that's very subjective. Some people can study on their own. I don't need any classes, I can do on my own. Then you can go for the books and mocks. Some people who are repeaters, they might not need any coaching classes. You can do a self-study, but there are a lot of people who need a starter, who need a kind of a class of hand holding. This is where we come into picture. So every day during this lockdown period, we are going live with a live class, and the recording is available in the login ID. Yeah, so you can join our program for that, or you can do a self-study using books and mocks. Number 4 is shortcuts, which is the most important part. So even the classes, what we are doing now, that those who are joining us for classroom program, right now all the lectures are happening online with the class. Then later on we'll convert them into the classroom program. Yep, shortcuts. By shortcut I mean G strategy. Last year I got 85 percentile using G strategy. Yeah, I obviously scored enough marks to clear the cutoff. That was my target to show. Yeah, now if I give the exam, I can get 99 percentile also, because I've been giving the exam for that many years. I'm teaching for the last few years, so obviously my knowledge base will be more stronger now as compared to what I was earlier. But this is not the agenda. G strategy matlab garib student. Being a garib student, we can clear the cutoff by focusing on a few topics. That's your strategy wise G strategy, and shortcut wise G strategy by focusing on a few shortcuts which are always helpful. For example, function graphs, coordinate geometry, logs, topic we normally people leave. We are going to focus on them as well. Last but not the least is the motivation, and this is the main factor which every student have told me, okay, sir, the motivation is main thing, because we are not used to that. Being an Indian student, we are used to study for the exam for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. From today, we are talking about 7 months ka time for the CAT exam. Yeah, so it obviously is a huge time. I've downloaded this countdown on my phone, so we got exactly 199 days for the CAT exam. Yeah, 205 days. ठीक है, तो दिस बिकॉज अभी नाउ एक हफ्ता इंक्रीज हो गया, तो 205 days are for the CAT exam, and this is going to be your target to crack this thing. Yeah, so these 5 things combined together is your IMK call, and this is where we come into picture as CET King. I am there with you till the end. Yeah, so you want to join us, or you just want to follow my strategies online, it's totally your wish. You can study on your own, but still you will need the books, mocks. One of the things you will need out of these 5. So these 5 things combined together is good enough to get the IIM call. Yeah, so this is the preparation point of view. There are 15 other things required, which I made a video earlier: quant cutoff, verbal cutoff, logic cutoff, 10-12 marks. So that's a separate video. This is more about the preparation point of view, 5 main pointers. These 5 fingers together will make your hand very strong so that we can clear the cutoffs. Yeah, all the best. In the description box, I given the numbers and links in case you want to join our program. You can join our program. All the best.